Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. So now for today's video, I'm going to do a product review on the It's My Ray Ray palette collaboration with BH Cosmetics. So if you'd like to see, please keep watching. Okay, so this is how the palette came. It is literally so pretty. Look at that. And look at these colors, guys. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to try them. If you watch my Instagram, then you saw the blue look and whew, Raye, you did that, girl. You really did. So I'm super excited to go in and try another color. And I'm thinking I'm gonna try the green today. So as a bonus with the palette, it came with a liquid lipstick and it's called Rosy Raye. And it looks like this. And I think that this color would actually complement most, if not all, of the colors in her palette. So I'm really grateful for that because I will be using the lipstick as well in this video. Alright, so enough talking, let's get into the video. So the first shade that I'm going to use is Cacao, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. And then I'm going to put Ambitious all over my lid. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And it gives me this like really sultry, intense eye. Like, oh, I'm loving this right now. And now I'm gonna take Bark and I'm going to just kind of blend all of that out. This way there's no harsh lines. So now I'm going to go in with Showgirl. And I'm just going to use my finger and just apply that over the middle of my lid. Just to give a nice little shimmer. And then I'm just going to take my blending brush and just kind of blend everything in again really quickly. So now I'm going to go underneath with my angled brush with the Cacao. And I'm going to go back in with the Ambitious and just go over that a bit. And do the same thing all the way across with the Ambitious, just to get a light green underneath there. Kind of like smokes it out a bit. And then I'm going to use my famous Eyelure lashes. I'm just going to apply my mascara on the lower lashes with the Benefit They're Real mascara. It just helps to complete the look. And now I'm going to apply my blush from my Morphe palette. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that this is my go-to, and I'm going to go in with a mixture of Unapologetic and MUA, or Makeup Artist. I'm gonna go back in with the Showgirl and put that in the tear ducts of my eyes. Just to kind of complete it. Yeah, that definitely helps a bit. I'm not even gonna use any highlighter with this look because I just want it to be all about the eyes. So now I'm gonna go in with my chestnut liner from MAC to just line my lips. Then I'm gonna go in with my Rosy Raye liquid lipstick that came with it as a bonus. Thank you, Raye. Let's try it out. I like it. Ooh. And now to complete the look, I'm just going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Spray it all over my face. And just use my damp beauty blender to just damp everything in. Oh my gosh, no. To set everything into my skin. Because your girl got some oily skin. And this just helps to make it stay. And this completes the look. And that's it for this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And also please comment down below what your favorite colors are from the palette. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye!